So if you're tired of replacing your office mat because it's continuing to split and crack like this one is, I just got done buying a new one. This is the quick hack. Only takes about 5 minutes to upgrade your 5 wheels on your chairs. So these are like inline skates. They roll nice and smooth. The weight is distributed differently. And this is all it takes to update them. So these will pull right out, and this one is going to push right in. Okay, so that first one popped right out. That one right there, I use a screwdriver to pry it out. That one's going in a little bit harder. So on here, just put on that little edge there. That'll get them coming out. There we go. Rotate around. So there you go. Now you can throw those wheels away. Throw away your cracked mat. And these are going to spin and slide around so much better. So I'll leave a link to the wheels and to the new mat that I bought. Thanks for watching.